What's up guys, I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. We're reviewing the KKW Beauty X Mario Collection. Like, I'm so excited. KKW has literally become one of my favorite brands and I love Mario, so this collection is one that I've been waiting for. I didn't get to get my hands on the first one, so I'm super excited to play in this palette. And well, I bought the whole collection because I'm a crazy person, so let's go ahead and get into it. Everything comes in this beautiful box. It looks regular on the outside, but on the inside it's this beautiful nudie pink color. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the unicartons because they're also nice as well. Like, I feel like some people might actually keep them as like a collector's item. Let's go ahead and get into the palette. I pretty much have my whole base done. I'm just missing my eyes and my lips and some blush. This is the palette. Let's go ahead and open it. The shades are underneath the shadows this time around, and it is also on the back. Let's go ahead and swatch them. Here are the swatches. I feel like they all swatched pretty nicely, and I do think this palette can work for me. I think every shade in this palette I can use, so that's always a good thing. Sometimes you get palettes and there's some colors that you cannot use. Initially, when I first seen this palette, I wasn't too sure if I wanted it. Sure, because some of the pictures and some of the lighting just made it look kind of washed out, and I didn't think that it was gonna work. But then as the release date approached, I saw more pictures and I was like smitten with it. The tones of the browns and that pretty slate gray color is just, it's so pretty. I do not know what colors I want to use. Okay, we're gonna start with Glam King, which is like a beautiful terracotta kind of brown on a really fluffy brush. I didn't use any eye primer. This is just concealer that's set. This is a pretty color. It's the perfect transition shade for a brown skin girl, and it's going on nicely and it's not getting patchy or clinging to anything. Yeah, I really like that color. It's really pretty. I'm gonna use I'm Inspired to deepen the crease. I'm Inspired is more of like a brick brown. I just kept I'm Inspired on the outer corners. I'm gonna do something more sparkly on the inside. I'm gonna do I Need More Light, but I'm gonna use Look Up as the base color for this shade. In almost every tutorial, I use my fingers to apply metallic shades. That's going on my lid, and this is what it looks like. It picked up really nicely, and I'm just gonna pat it on. Oh my god, that is so pretty. That is such a pretty color. It's a really nice texture as well. I feel like that went on very evenly and not patchy. Because sometimes when you put on metallic colors, like sometimes it just wants to cling to one spot, and this one's not doing that. And I'm going to use Glam King and I'm Inspired on my lower lash line. I'm going to start off with I'm Inspired, and then on a smaller fluffier brush I'm going to use Glam King to blow that out. I'm gonna mix I Need More Light with Beauty Campaign for my inner tear duct. I love it so much. Like, I don't usually gravitate to yellow or really bright gold shades, but this is so pretty. The eyes done, we can move on to the blush. I'm a blush person. I love blush. This is the packaging, and I also love peach blushes, so that is like perfect for me. Well, I also have a blush from another collection, and this is like the typical packaging, more glossy, and it's pink. And then for Mario's collection, it's frosted. Okay, this blush is in the shade Very Graceful. When I'm doing reviews, I try my best not to watch anybody else's video because I don't want their opinion to sway mine. but I was so excited to get it, and I watched Patrick Starr's video, and that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on a Real Techniques blush brush and tap it in. Oh, okay, so I could see it. I'm not sure if you guys could see it, but on Patrick's video he was kind of saying that he couldn't see the blush on him, and he's lighter than me, so I don't know, I could definitely see the blush. It is subtle, but it's like the perfect flush of color. Okay, now we could go ahead and get into lip products. There's 3 of them. For the promo of the lipstick, I've seen that he uses that shade to mix with other lipsticks, and I mean, I could do that today, but I just want to see what the color looks like on me. So this is Mario's liner in Beauty Icon, and this is what the normal packaging looks like. This is my favorite lip liner, so we're going to swatch it next to it. That was nude 3, and I also have nude 2. Going to swatch it in between these 2 liners to show you the difference, just in case you have any of them. So it's nude 3, Beauty Icon, and nude 2. Okay, it's closer to nude 2. Nude 2 is darker than it, but it's a different tone of brown. I'm more of a chocolatey brown kind of girl, but we're gonna try it. Okay, here is what the liner looks like. It's definitely a wearable shade of brown for my skin complexion. It looks really pretty. Like, I could see myself just wearing this and putting gloss on top. It's really pretty. But knowing me, I'm still gonna go in with the darker liner, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the whole lip concoction and then make my adjustments after. Okay, this is He's a Mixer lipstick. That is so pretty. It looked a little ashy just now, but I see the vision. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with my favorite liner, but it is a very pretty nude. Ooh, it's so pretty. I did a KKW video recently kind of reviewing some of the products, and the lip products in general are my favorite. Like, her lipsticks are my favorite lipstick out there. Like, they make amazing lipsticks, and this doesn't disappoint. The lip glosses are also good as well. This is Proud of You, which is also a peach tone lip gloss. Here's the applicator. And here's what the lip concoction looks like by itself, which is still pretty. I just need some darker liner. I'm going in with nude 3. Giving me life already. Now, okay, now this is more my speed. Like, I'm in love. I'm so caught up on everything. I did not even finish my eye look. I'm gonna put on some liner and some lashes. Be right back. Okay guys, this is my final look. I love everything about this makeup look, honestly. Like, I'm kind of speechless because my makeup just looks so good today, and I don't regret not 1 cent I spent on this collection. One of the main reasons why I wanted to review this collection or anything from KKW is because I know I'm not the only brown skin girl that wants to see what these products look like on somebody that's in the same skin complexion as I am. Anytime I wanted to buy anything from KKW, I'll watch Makeup Shayla or Iris. Yeah, they're like really close to my skin complexion, so I could always watch those girls, but they do get in PR. I don't feel like the fact that they get it in PR swears their opinion, but I think it's also nice to see the opinion of somebody who bought it with their own money, and I feel like it's worth it depending on your taste and the things that you like. You may not want everything in this collection. I personally don't regret a cent that I spent on anything in this collection. Everything worked and performed beautifully, and I'm not mad. So yeah, this collection is definitely brown skin girl friendly and approved, at least by me. I loved it. Let's go ahead and go through each product. Of course, I definitely recommend the palette. I can't wait to get more looks and more uses out of it. I love it. The blush, I love the blush too, so you guys are going to see that a lot more. And the lip stuff, I love the way the lip concoction worked. I can still see myself using the lip liner. Even though it's not like the typical shade I would go for, I still think it's pretty, especially for like a natural day where you just want to put gloss on. Everything's just perfect. I loved everything, honestly. It was $95 well spent. Okay guys, so that wraps up today's video. Let me know if you're going to pick up anything from the KKW X Mario collection. Also, let me know if you own anything from KKW, or if you don't, let me know what you guys want to try. So yeah guys, if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.